Agricultural biology is the study of the biological principles that underpin food production and resource management. It covers a wide range of fields, including plant breeding, crop science, animal science, and soil science. These disciplines all contribute to our understanding of how living organisms can be leveraged to produce food and other agricultural products efficiently and sustainably. Studying the biology of plants, animals, and soils allows us to develop new crop varieties, improve livestock, and maintain healthy, productive ecosystems. This knowledge is crucial for meeting the growing global demand for food while also protecting the environment. Agriculture is the foundation of food security, providing nourishment for billions worldwide. Sustainable agricultural practices protect natural resources, minimize environmental impacts, and conserve biodiversity. Innovations in agricultural biology drive breakthroughs in crop breeding, pest management, and resource efficiency. The agricultural sector plays a crucial economic role, supporting jobs and fostering rural development. Plant biology is a critical field that underpins agriculture and food production. It encompasses the study of plant structure, function, and growth. Understanding these fundamentals is essential for optimizing crop yields and improving farming practices. Key areas of plant biology include plant anatomy, physiology, and genetics, providing insights into vital processes like photosynthesis, nutrient uptake, and reproduction. This slide provides an overview of the importance of plant biology and the core topics it covers. The detailed illustration helps visualize the intricate structure and cell types found within plants. Photosynthesis is the fundamental process that powers plant life. It's the conversion of light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose. This happens through a series of steps. Chlorophyll in the leaves captures sunlight energy. Roots absorb water from the soil. Leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. The sunlight energy is used to convert the CO2 and water into glucose. Oxygen is released as a byproduct. Photosynthesis is essential for plant growth and development, as well as producing the oxygen we breathe. Plant genetics is the study of how genes influence important plant characteristics like yield, disease resistance, and nutritional content. Plant breeding involves selecting and crossing plants with desirable traits to create new and improved crop varieties. Modern breeding techniques like marker-assisted selection, gene editing, and genome-wide association studies accelerate the breeding process and enable more targeted improvements. These innovations in plant breeding contribute to increased crop yields, enhanced nutritional value, and reduced reliance on pesticides, all of which positively impact food security and sustainability. Soil is the foundation of agriculture, providing essential nutrients for plant growth and supporting a diverse ecosystem. Soil science focuses on understanding soil properties, composition, and processes. Nutrient management involves optimizing the use of fertilizers and other soil amendments to meet the specific needs of crops. This helps maintain soil fertility, improve crop yields, and minimize environmental impacts. Key plant nutrients include nitrogen, essential for plant growth and development. Phosphorus, key role in energy transfer and root development. Potassium promotes disease resistance and water regulation. Integrated pest management, or IPM, is a holistic approach to pest control that prioritizes prevention and minimizes the use of harmful chemicals. The key IPM strategies include preventative measures like crop rotation and using pest-resistant plant varieties to stop problems before they start. Regularly monitoring crops to identify specific pest species and determine the appropriate control methods. Utilizing natural enemies like beneficial insects to biologically control pests, without relying on pesticides. Only using chemical pesticides as a last resort, and doing so in a targeted, environmentally friendly way. The goal of IPM is to manage pests effectively while minimizing risks to human health and the environment. Sustainable agriculture is a holistic approach to farming that considers the long-term health of the environment, the economy, and the community. It focuses on protecting natural resources like soil and water, while also promoting biodiversity and ensuring food security for the future. The goal is to minimize the negative environmental impacts of agriculture, while still maintaining productive and profitable farms. This slide provides an overview of the key principles of sustainable agriculture. It's about balancing multiple priorities to create a more sustainable food system. The image reinforces these ideas, showing a happy farmer surrounded by a diverse, thriving agricultural landscape. This represents the kind of resilient, nature-friendly farming that sustainable agriculture aims to achieve. Crop rotation is a powerful farming technique that offers numerous benefits to soil health, pest and disease control, nutrient cycling, weed management, and overall crop yields. By introducing different types of root systems through crop rotation, we can prevent soil depletion and improve soil structure, leading to healthier, more productive soil. Rotating crops also disrupts pest and disease cycles, reducing the need for chemical treatments and promoting more sustainable farming practices. Different crops have varying nutrient requirements, so rotating them ensures a balanced supply of nutrients in the soil, further enhancing soil health. Crop rotation can also suppress weed populations by introducing crops that compete with weeds, reducing the need for herbicides. Ultimately, the combination of healthy soil, reduced pest pressure, and improved weed management leads to increased crop yields and better quality produce. Irrigation is critical for many agricultural and landscaping applications, as it allows us to deliver water to plants in a controlled and efficient manner. The slide outlines 4 main types of irrigation techniques: drip, sprinkler, surface, and sub-irrigation. Drip irrigation is highly efficient, delivering water directly to plant roots and minimizing water loss through evaporation. Sprinkler systems use a network of pipes and nozzles to distribute water over a larger area, but can lose some efficiency to evaporation. Surface irrigation relies on gravity to flood fields, but can be less efficient and lead to water runoff. Sub-irrigation systems deliver water from below the soil surface, reducing evaporation and increasing water retention for the plants. Each technique has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of efficiency, water usage, and suitability for different applications. The choice of irrigation method will depend on factors like crop type, climate, soil conditions, and available water resources. Agroecology is an approach to farming that enhances biodiversity and provides important ecosystem services. One key service is pollination. Agroecological practices promote the activity of pollinators like bees, which are essential for crop production. Agroecology also creates habitats for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife by incorporating diverse plant species. Sustainable farming practices under agroecology protect water resources, reducing runoff and pollution to ensure clean water for communities and ecosystems. Finally, agroecology plays a crucial role in carbon sequestration, promoting soil health and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Biotechnology has revolutionized agriculture, enabling us to enhance crop yields, nutrient content, and disease resistance. Genetic engineering allows for precise modifications to plant genomes, unlocking new possibilities for improving agricultural productivity. Precision farming tools powered by biotechnology provide real-time data on soil health, pest infestations, and plant growth, empowering farmers to make informed, data-driven decisions. Biotechnology-derived disease-resistant crops can reduce crop losses and minimize the need for chemical pesticides, promoting more sustainable farming practices. Controlled environment agriculture facilitated by biotechnology optimizes growing conditions to maximize yield while minimizing environmental impact. GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are living things like plants, animals, or microbes that have had their genetic material altered using biotechnology techniques. These genetic modifications can give the organisms new or enhanced traits, like resistance to pests or herbicides, or increased nutritional value. GMOs have been a topic of debate, with concerns about potential environmental risks and ethical considerations. But proponents argue they can boost agricultural productivity, reduce pesticide use, and improve food security. Millions of acres worldwide are used to grow genetically modified crops, and a high percentage of consumers in many countries have accepted GMOs. With a growing global population, GMOs have the potential to contribute to improved food security. Significant investments, in the hundreds of millions, are made each year in GMO research and development. Precision agriculture is a data-driven approach to crop management. It involves using sensors to collect detailed data on soil, weather, and crop conditions. This data is then analyzed using advanced analytics to identify patterns and trends. The insights from this data analysis inform decision-making on optimal management practices. Farmers can then apply targeted interventions, like precise application of inputs, based on the data-driven insights. This precision approach helps optimize resource use, improve efficiency, and boost yields while reducing environmental impact. Livestock production is a critical part of the global food system, but it must be done in a sustainable and ethical way. Responsible practices aim to minimize environmental impact while ensuring the well-being of the animals. Animal health and welfare are essential not just for ethical reasons, but also for efficient, high-quality production. Proper feed and nutrition are crucial for animal growth, health, and productivity. Humane handling, housing, and transport are integral to ethical livestock production and must be prioritized. Aquaculture is the farming of aquatic organisms like fish, shellfish, and algae. It's a rapidly growing industry that provides a significant portion of the world's seafood. Aquaculture systems can be diverse, ranging from small-scale traditional ponds to large-scale intensive operations. These systems can be designed to mimic natural environments or create controlled environments for optimal growth. Different types of aquaculture systems include ponds, cages, raceways, and recirculating aquaculture systems. The image shows a close-up of a fish farm in a tropical country, with colorful fish in clear blue water tanks. Microorganisms play a crucial role in maintaining soil fertility, promoting plant growth, and cycling essential nutrients. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can readily use, which can significantly boost crop yields. Biofertilizers containing beneficial microbes help provide plants with essential nutrients and suppress harmful pathogens, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Certain microorganisms can be used as a natural form of pest control, helping to suppress harmful pests and diseases and reducing reliance on chemical pesticides. Climate change is having significant impacts on agriculture around the world. Rising temperatures can lead to decreased crop yields and increased pest and disease outbreaks, threatening food production. Extreme weather events like droughts, floods, and storms can disrupt agricultural activities and damage crops and livestock. Changes in precipitation patterns can impact irrigation needs and lead to water scarcity in some regions, making it harder for farmers to grow their crops. Increased CO2 levels can also affect plant growth and nutrient uptake, potentially impacting both yield and quality of agricultural products. These climate change impacts pose serious challenges for global food security that we need to address through adaptation and mitigation strategies. Post-harvest technology and food processing are critical to ensuring the quality and availability of fresh produce. Harvesting involves carefully picking fruits and vegetables to minimize damage and optimize quality. Cleaning and sorting removes debris and groups produce by size and quality for consistent processing. Preservation methods like refrigeration, freezing, canning, and drying extend shelf life and prevent spoilage. Proper packaging protects produce during transport and storage, maintaining freshness and quality. Efficient distribution networks get produce to consumers quickly, preserving its freshness and quality. Urban agriculture is the practice of growing food within cities, which helps improve food access, reduce transportation costs, and foster community involvement. Vertical farming is a type of urban agriculture that maximizes limited space by growing crops in stacked layers using controlled environments. Vertical farms utilize artificial lighting, climate control, and hydroponic or aeroponic systems to enable year-round production, reduce water usage, and achieve higher yields compared to traditional farming. The image on this slide depicts a modern city with rooftop gardens and urban farms, showcasing the integration of agriculture within an urban setting. Organic farming avoids synthetic chemicals, instead using natural methods to build healthy, fertile soil. Organic practices promote biodiversity and ecosystem health by working in harmony with natural systems. Regenerative agriculture goes a step further, actively working to improve soil health and increase carbon sequestration. Key regenerative practices include cover cropping, composting, and other methods that enhance soil fertility, water retention, and biodiversity. Both organic and regenerative approaches offer sustainable alternatives to conventional agriculture that benefit the environment. The agribusiness supply chain consists of several key steps, starting with production. In the production stage, agricultural products like crops and livestock are grown and raised. Next, the raw agricultural products are processed and transformed into finished goods, such as packaged food or processed ingredients. Careful packaging then ensures the quality and preservation of these finished products as they are distributed. The products are then transported from processing facilities to retail stores and other distribution points. Finally, consumers purchase the products from retailers, completing the agribusiness supply chain. Agricultural biology is a diverse field with a range of career opportunities. Today, we'll explore 4 key roles: research scientist, field technician, laboratory technician, and livestock specialist. Research scientists conduct studies on crop improvement, pest control, and soil management to advance our understanding of agricultural systems. Field technicians collect data, monitor crops, and perform other tasks to support agricultural research and production. Laboratory technicians assist with R&D, conducting experiments and analyzing data in agricultural labs. Livestock specialists provide care and management to optimize animal production and welfare. Agriculture is a constantly evolving field, driven by the need to improve food production and sustainability. Scientists are leveraging advanced technologies like genetics, data analytics, and automation to develop new crop varieties, optimize fertilization, and better manage pests. Innovations in agricultural biology are critical for addressing major global challenges like food security, climate change, and resource scarcity. Continued investment in agricultural R&D is crucial to ensure a sustainable future for food production. The image on this slide depicts a researcher in a well-equipped lab, highlighting the cutting-edge nature of modern agricultural science. The field we are discussing today faces a number of significant challenges, but also presents valuable opportunities for progress. Climate change is a major threat, as shifting weather patterns can disrupt crop and livestock production. We'll need to develop robust adaptation strategies to mitigate these impacts. Ensuring food security for a growing global population is another critical challenge. Improving production and distribution systems will be essential. Technological advancements offer exciting possibilities to enhance efficiency and sustainability across the industry. We'll explore some of these transformative innovations. Adopting sustainable practices is key to protecting the environment and safeguarding long-term resource availability. This will be a core focus of our discussion. The future of agricultural biology is marked by exciting trends that will shape the industry. Precision agriculture leverages data and technology to optimize farming practices, improving efficiency and yields. Vertical farming allows crops to be grown in stacked layers, maximizing limited space and resources. Biotechnology advancements, like genetically modified crops and sustainable biopesticides, are enhancing agricultural productivity. Climate-smart agriculture focuses on implementing practices that mitigate the impacts of climate change on food production. These innovations are driven by the need to address growing populations, limited resources, and the challenges of climate change, ensuring food security and sustainability. Agricultural biology plays a critical role in ensuring a sustainable future for food production and environmental health. Continued research and innovation in agricultural biology are crucial to address global challenges such as food security and climate change. Agricultural biology requires a multidisciplinary approach, integrating knowledge from various fields to find solutions. Collaboration among researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders is vital for promoting sustainable agricultural practices.